In this video, you'll learn how to create rich and decadent French chocolate truffles that will impress your family and friends. Many people avoid making it, thinking, oh, it's too complicated or it requires some fancy equipment, and that's not true. It is very easy to make. It only requires a few ingredients. So join me in this video while we try to create these French chocolate truffles, a holiday candy desserts for the French must have on the holiday table, and we're going to create it from scratch. So join me here, and for those who don't know me, I am Anne, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. Welcome to the channel. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up as well and subscribe to the channel. But let's get started. What ingredients do we need? Main one is chocolate, right? It's chocolate truffles, and here quality really is important. So you need some good quality dark chocolate. If you want to go with the authentic recipe, I would say at least 60% cocoa on this dark chocolate. So here I've got the Ghirardelli 60% cocoa. If you don't like dark chocolate, you can customize it. This is a recipe you can customize for your likes. So milk chocolate, white chocolate, why not? It's not the original recipe, but you're welcome to try. So first ingredient, good quality dark chocolate. Second one, you're gonna need some heavy cream. We're gonna need a bit of butter. So just plain butter is fine. Here I'm using some culture salted butter because I like that little pinch of salt in my chocolate. So just to give that little flavor, but it's optional. And last ingredient is gonna be the cocoa powder. And that is it. Chocolate, butter, cream, and cocoa powder. That is it. If you want, you can add some customization. So we can have some vanilla flavor. Good, that's a must have, I would say. But you can try with mint. That's also a holiday flavor. Almond, orange essential oil, depending on the flavor you want to give to your truffles. And around it, instead of the cocoa, you can actually use coconut. A lot of customization, really up to your taste. I'm thinking we could even use some chili powder mixed with the cocoa to give it really a little pinch here, not salt, chili. That's another option. But here we're going for the basic recipe. Once we know how to make the basic, you can customize it. So let's get started. Gonna lower you down so that you get to see what I'm doing. And once I prepare the ingredients, let me also introduce you to this collaboration, because this is a holiday candy collaboration hosted by Lisa at Yogi Hollow Farm and Tammy at Mountain Grandma. So there is a playlist. If you want to have ideas of other holiday candies, check out the playlist. One video per day, at least, sometimes even two, during the whole month of December. So lots of candies. But here we are doing chocolate, the best candy in my opinion. So we're gonna use half a cup of this heavy cream right there. I'm gonna pour it in a pan because we're gonna warm it up. We're gonna warm up the heavy cream together with the butter. So half a cup heavy cream and just a bit of this butter, about 3 tablespoons. So here we want to make sure it warms up but does not start boiling. Otherwise it could heat the chocolate too much once we pour it over. So while the cream is warming up, I'm going to place 8 ounces of my chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips here in the bowl. So this is a 10 ounce. I'm doing it roughly 8 here in this bowl. And when the mix is warm here, so that's our butter and cream, we pour it on top of the chocolate to actually cover the chocolate. And we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes, just time for the chocolate to melt in that creamy, buttery mix. All right, it's been 2 minutes, so now we mix it up. Chocolate is melted here. So we want to have this very smooth and velvety texture at the end. So mixing until it's all incorporated with the chocolate. And so it's during that time, if you want to have a particular flavor, I'm thinking here of my vanilla extract or maybe some, orange, peppermint, who knows what you like. Almond could be nice as well. That's a good time to add these essential oils right there. And you can even divide the batch in two if you want to have two different flavors. It is an option as well. So, but that's the creamy texture you want to get. See here? It's very velvety, creamy, smooth. It looks delicious. You can even increase the salty content if you like a pinch of salt and add a bit of sea salt in this mixture here. But we are done. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of vanilla here. In my case, as I have this vanilla extract, so just a few drops, and that is it. 3-4 drops. And that is it. So next step. Next step here is to pour it in a pan. We want it to solidify. We're gonna leave it solidify in the fridge for an hour or two. So now that we have the mix here, I'm gonna place this for an hour or two in the fridge. Gonna check the texture. You want it a lot more solid so that you can actually do these little balls afterwards in your hand and roll them in the cocoa powder. So we are back. Here is my chocolate truffle prep. What we're gonna do now is with a spoon, make a very small ball. So I'm going to use my bare hands because I could not find my gloves. So the best, I think, to make it less sticky is actually to use surgical gloves here. I can find them, so I'm going to use my bare hands. But yes, you're going to model some little balls and then put them into some cocoa powder or whatever you would like if you want coconut. And that is it. Put it on the side and you're going to have your chocolate truffles. Let's go. So I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a bit messy. I went to clean my hands, but yes, I have some cocoa powder everywhere. So be cautious if you do that with kids. Can go wild. But here is what I have. So this one, we're probably gonna use it. I'm thinking of doing some chocolate milk tonight, hot chocolate. But that's pretty much what I have here. So I would put these in a container and keep them in the fridge just to keep them cool, but I want to try. I want to try them so bad. So let's do here a little taste. Let me try a small one because I made some different sizes here. So you can see this one here is huge, but that one over there is very small. So let me try a small one just to check the taste. Wow, really good. Really, really, really good. I need to keep them in the fridge because here I can tell they're gonna start melting, so that's not good. I need to keep them cool, but wow, powerful. Giardelli is some very decent and good chocolate here. But yeah, you can just accommodate it, arrange it the way you like it. But let me try with the girls. Let's see what the girls are gonna say. Girls, you wanna come and try the chocolate? Chocolate truffles? In front of the camera? Let's see. Here they are, coming in front of the camera. You ready? You take a small one, maybe, just in case. Don't lie, huh? Don't make it look like it's good, even so it's not good, huh? Oh, the big one. She went for the bigger one. Wow, the biggest. You better like it.
Wow, there's a lot of chocolate.
Yeah, show them how it is inside. Show the... Yeah, see? Very... Put it closer so that they get to see.
There's a lot of powder.
It's a lot of... Yeah, don't put your hand. See? The power of the powder. It's going to get everywhere.
Really, really powdery.
Really, really powdery. You want to dip it... Did you like it, Anjali?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got her mouth full, yes.
I feel like I can make my lips brown.
Brown, yeah, brown
fire.
lips, brown lips.
And it tastes like chocolate.
Well, it is almost pure chocolate, yeah, with cream. Oh, she's dipping them more in the... Look at that, on the cacao powder here. Hey, Angie, don't mess up. All right, no, we're not playing with the cocoa powder. Well, guys, try it out. It's delicious. Customize it to your taste. Let me know how it goes. As you can see, it's very easy to make. So, try it out.
But you should wash your hands after.
Yeah, wash your hands after. Thank you all for watching.